If you're searching for enterprise job scheduling or SAP job scheduling software, you're likely in a large, complex environment where automation failures don't just trigger alerts. They impact production planning, forecasting and replenishment, and data pipelines. In this video, we'll cover what enterprise job scheduling looks like in 2026, how to evaluate platforms, and we'll spotlight a leading solution, RunMyJobs by Redwood, as an example of how enterprise scheduling platforms address those needs. This episode is sponsored by Redwood, but as always, we'll keep it fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What enterprise job scheduling looks like in 2026. At the enterprise level, job scheduling is no longer an IT utility sitting quietly in the background. In 2026, large organizations expect job scheduling software to move from running individual jobs to coordinating complete business processes that span multiple systems and teams, evolve from on-prem application-specific scheduling to supporting ERP and cloud platforms at scale, including complex interconnected workloads, shift from binary job status reporting to process-level insight, showing whether critical business outcomes are on track, and transition from static, fragile configurations to platforms that can absorb constant change, including upgrades, migrations, and organizational shifts. The question is no longer, can this schedule jobs? It's, can this reduce operational risk as our enterprise environments and SAP ecosystems continue to change? How to select the right enterprise job scheduling software. Before looking at vendors, here are 10 criteria that can help you choose the right platform. Number 1, deployment model. Are you choosing a platform that's on-prem, hybrid, or true SaaS? And who owns the infrastructure, scaling, and availability? Number 2, implementation time. Is rollout measured in weeks or months? What internal resources are required, and how dependent is success on professional services? Number 3, integrations. Do integrations cover both your legacy estate and modern cloud stack, especially SAP plus the surrounding ecosystem? Number 4, user experience. Is the UI built for specialists only, or can broader teams navigate workflows, monitoring, and exceptions without constant training? Number 5, pricing model. Is pricing predictable as job volume grows, or does it create surprise cost spikes as automation adoption expands? Number 6, upgrades and maintenance. Are upgrades automatic and non-disruptive, or do they require planned downtime, regression testing, and ongoing maintenance cycles? Number 7, security and compliance. Does the platform meet enterprise requirements around auditability, access controls, and continuous security updates? Number 8, business user empowerment. Can business and ops teams safely build or adjust automations, or does everything funnel through IT queues? Number 9, API and extensibility. Is the platform API first and modern for integration and governance, or does extensibility depend on legacy approaches and workarounds? Number 10, customer support. Do you get high-touch onboarding and success support, or is the model more standardized and ticket-driven? Those 10 criteria are a solid backbone for evaluating enterprise job scheduling where complexity and change are the norm. With those criteria in mind, let's take a closer look at one of the most popular platforms evaluated by large enterprises. Today's sponsor, RunMyJobs by Redwood, and let's see how it maps to those requirements in practice. RunMyJobs is an enterprise workload automation and job scheduling platform built for large hybrid cloud environments, and it's also the recommended job scheduler for SAP customers, premium certified by SAP. Instead of operating purely at the job level, it's designed as a business process orchestration layer so enterprises can manage workflows like production planning, forecasting and replenishment, and data pipelines as end-to-end processes with defined SLAs, dependencies, and outcomes. Where RunMyJobs stands out for SAP-driven organizations is its depth of SAP alignment. It is the only SAP-endorsed app and SAP Premium certified workload automation solution, and it's included in SAP's RISE reference architecture via SAP ECS managed services. For enterprise buyers, that signals close alignment with SAP's operating model, particularly during S/4HANA migrations and RISE initiatives. RunMyJobs complements SAP's automation portfolio with seamless integration across S/4HANA, BTP, BDC, and other SAP systems. It supports end-to-end process automation while eliminating custom code and workarounds, enabling clean core strategies. RISE customers should note, not all job schedulers integrate smoothly with S/4HANA. Architecturally, RunMyJobs uses a centralized gateway-based SAP integration model rather than deploying agents across every every SAP system. In practice, that helps enterprises reduce agent sprawl across SAP landscapes, minimize disruption during SAP upgrades, maintain compatibility as environments evolve. It also includes out-of-the-box support for SAP extensions like BTP, which is increasingly important as SAP moves beyond the core ERP. Analyst takeaway. In 2026, enterprise job scheduling is less about running more jobs and more about supporting change without increasing risk. If you anchor your evaluation on the 10 criteria we just covered, you'll see which platforms are built for modern enterprise realities and which ones require more overhead to keep healthy. RunMyJobs is an example of a platform designed to support that modernization path, particularly for enterprises operating in hybrid and multi-cloud environments. If you want more information about enterprise job scheduling software, explore SelectHub's deeper analyst comparisons and tools through the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.